Hello kids, today I am draw ice cream. Let's start and draw them together. Red color. Yellow color.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Blue color.
One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives
Orange
down
color.
the lane.
Brown color. Yellow color. Green color. Brown color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had
Yellow color.
E-I-O, with a here and a there, here and
Green color.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Pink color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Orange color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Sketch time.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Audio Jungle.